Once Gandhi quoted, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever." Well, I don't know about dying, but I definitely wanted to learn something different that I had never ever thought I would learn in my life. So, as the year 2019 ended, like everybody else, I planned my New Year resolution that I want to learn some new skills this year. So I was just sleeping one day and I had a thought, hey, how about horse riding? Boom! Immediately I opened Google Maps and I looked for the nearest horse riding club. I found a club which was few kilometers away from my place, and without wasting any more time, I went there, I paid the fee, I took my first step towards that 30-day journey. And now here we go. So before we go ahead and start this journey, I would like to explain what kind of riding styles there are. So there are two riding styles, Western and English, and the one who rides the horse is called as equestrian. And there are almost 4 gaits in horse riding. It's called as walk, trot, canter and gallop. So my plan was to learn till trot because people spend most their entire lives getting perfect at something, and I'm planning to do this within a particular time frame. So trot it is.
Center of the track, semicircle.
Day 2. It's day 3. Welcome back.
Oh yeah.
Day 6. Fortune Hunter, Tuscania, Zurich, इधर देख Zurich. This guy's name is Ambrose. Snowy. Sonic.
Attila.
Huh? Attila. Day 6 of me learning the horse riding. Right now it's 5:30, about to be 5:30. Look at this beautiful sun. Beautiful golden hour. This is beautiful. So before you touch the horse, he has to smell you. See? Now you can touch him, I guess. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया। It's 5:30 p.m. right now, and the beautiful golden hour is here. And I'm wearing this helmet right now. And today is day 11. That's why we are going to do a little bit of revision. So first of all, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि वहाँ से हम स्टेपल से घोड़े को निकाल के हम लोग इस सर्कल में लेके आते हैं, and then we do a little bit of warm up with the horse, so that he'll get used to. So he'll be prepared for walking and all. उसके बाद we have this saddle on the top of the horse, so you can sit on the saddle, and this is called a stirrup. So you have to, while mounting on the horse, इसका मतलब अब बैठने के time you have to put your toe, the main part of your toe here, and then you got to jump on the other side, and then you have to sit on the horse. And so while sitting as well, you have to make sure that it's properly mounted. Otherwise, if something happens, that there is a possibility that कि अगर घोड़ा भागने लगे तो if you want to escape, then and if you're not properly mounted on the stirrup, then ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपका पैर अटक जाए और the horse might start dragging you along with him, and you definitely do not want that, right? So we'll do all of the revision today. Like, so far I've learned how to walk, turn left and right, so let's just go with it. And गोपाल हमारी मदद करेगा. गोपाल होल्ड कर क्या नाम. So let's warm up first. Hal. So right now we are walking with the horse, and okay, so far I've learned how to stop, turn left, right, and walk the horse. So here's how you stop the horse. You hold the reins, this is called as reins, and you hold the horse like this, hold the reins towards your belly, and now it stopped. Okay, now if you want to make the horse walk, then you just have to squeeze your heels towards his belly, so he'll start walking. See, he started walking. And again, if you want to halt, hold the reins. And now if you want to turn the horse, then you just have to hold your knuckles down like this, and you have to hold your knuckles down like this, and then you have to move your hand 90 degrees away from the body, and he'll turn. And we did a turn. And if you want to turn right, again the same thing. Let's start walking. So this is one of the fastest horse, Zurich, and we'll practice with Zurich today.
So the 4 gates is walk, trot, canter, and
Gallop.
now let's learn the second gate, which is called trot. Okay. Now in trot there are 4 rules, right? We learn the 2. Level 1 is stand quick. Level 1 is stand quick, and level 2 is sit slow. Right? Neutral position. Steady. Knuckles up. Look in front and just stand up. Get up. Hath put it. Get up.
Like this?
Yes. Put it down. Rule number 1, stand quick. Up. ओढायचं नाही. रेन ओढायची नाही. Get up. Down. Up. Down. हात पुढे. Neutral position. Up. Down. Up. पुढे हात पुढे. Down. Up. Down.
Day 12.
Remember I told you there are 4 rules in talking. Remember one. Let's learn rule number 3. Rule number 3. Sit.
So it's day 15. I'm sitting on the horse. और डे 15 मतलब मैं एक्चुअली एक हफ्ते के गैप के बाद आया हूँ, तो इसलिए सर मुझे गाली मारने वाले हैं फॉर श्योर. रिवाइज एवरीथिंग लाइक जैसे कि पहले बोला था कि आपको जल्दी उठना है और स्लो बैठना है. ये जो जल्दी उठो स्लो बैठो, जल्दी उठो स्लो बैठो. और एक्चुअली घोड़े की तरफ नहीं देखना है आपको, सेमी सर्कल देखना है जो ये रिंग में बना हुआ है. तो हाफ ऑफ द सर्कल देयर वो देखना है. और राइट हम लोग फिर से आज वो लंचिंग रेंज के साथ ट्रॉट की एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि मैं सब कुछ भूल चुका हूँ. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्टैंड अप एंड होल्ड फॉर लाइक 5-10 seconds अगेन. यही होता है जब आप बीच में एक लंबा गैप लेते हो और फिर से यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ज़ीरो. सो इट्स डे 18. पता नहीं कब होगा. ओके, वी हैव समवन राइट हियर विद अस.
I'm Nilanjan. By profession, I'm a developer, and by passion, I'm a rider. I ride bike, I ride horses, I ride anything under the sun. I have learned like how to walk the horse, how to trot the horse, then do the sitting trot, and now I'm learning how to canter. So I'm now doing canter with the help of lunging reins.
Okay, and how long it took you to learn all of these things?
It took me about 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah, I mean there was 3 months of rain, so I can say like 3 months.
And I'm trying to learn it within like a month. Impractical.
Yeah, I mean it takes time. It takes real time.
Thank you, Nilanjan.
Thanks a lot, everybody.
Strength. Good legging. Jump.
Next second. Ready.
Dump. Come on, dump. Nice. Good. Forward and forward. And steady. Semicircle. Hey. Up, 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 up.
This is the day 19 and today is I think 21st January और मैं first time actually सुबह सुबह आया हूँ. It's 7:10 in the morning. I swear to God इतना dedication मैंने अपने पढ़ाई में दिखाया होता तो मैं कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया होता. Funny, I know. Came directly from the office, that's why I'm wearing formals. I look stupid. And look what kind of shoes I'm wearing. Not a proper riding gear. Not riding gear. I'm not a proper riding gear for horse riding. Proper jockey वाला ये सीन नहीं है. Day 23. Beautiful morning. Progress of trot is good. Halfway completed.
See, now this is gallop. Check, this is gallop.
So fast.
Really sweet. Very.
So it's day 27 and it's one of the final 3 days where I'm gonna not prove actually, but I'm gonna finish the trotting and अपना course भी complete हो जाएगा. I'm feeling quite emotional because I'm not used to finishing all the things that I've started. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये मैंने चीज़ स्टार्ट की और मैं ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ. Let's go. individual pro. First time. So it's the day 30th, the last day of horse riding. I'm feeling quite emotional. I may come back for the level 2 and level 3, but I'm not sure about it. चलिए आखिरी दिन ख़त्म करते हैं. Bye guys. Bye Fortune Hunter. Bye Zurich. Sorry, this is Tuscania. This is Zurich. Bye Zurich. Last day everyone. Last day. Last day. Okay, maybe the last round. Let's start. So we are done for the day. Now it's time to park the horse. Yes, sab kachra. Good job. That's a wrap.